The Remark Products Group at Graphic Inc. is pleased to announce the release of version 5 of our Remark Web Survey software. All of the great functionality of Remark Web Survey 4 remains, but many powerful new features and enhancements have been added based upon customer feedback. The admin control panel has been completely recreated with a more user-friendly appearance. It now includes a diagnostics section to help troubleshoot server-side problems. User permission levels have also been added. At the administrator level, you have complete access to everything on the designer side as well as the web side. Standard users can view the data and live stats for all forms in the control panel, can be given rights to upload forms, and download data for all forms. And restricted users can view the data and live stats for the specified web forms in the control panel. They can be given rights to upload forms and to download data for the specified web forms only. You now have the option to download responses even if the respondent did not complete the web form. For example, any partial responses. You can specify web form submission email recipients based on how questions are answered. For example, if on a survey about customer service, a respondent answers a question that he or she was dissatisfied, the customer service manager could receive an email with that respondent's form submission. When responding to a web form, respondents can enter an email address and have their responses sent to them. Password protection has been updated to include stronger security to the web server file containing encrypted passwords, the ability to automatically generate random passwords for respondents in the password list builder, and the option to add a second question on the login page to allow users to enter a username along with their password. Remark Web Survey 5 includes all of the great features of version 4, however many new features have been added. You now have the option to preview the web form on various mobile devices, allowing you to better cater to the handheld device user. With multimedia support, you can embed multimedia into a web form. Remark Web Survey 5 supports Windows Media, QuickTime, Real Media, and Shockwave Flash files. Graphics can now be used as answer choices in the HTML display portion of the form. And completion percentage tolerance was added in order to filter data and analyze records that are a certain percentage completed. Some of the other great enhancements made to Remark Web Survey 5 include the improvements with Remark Live Stats. 3 new reports have been added: the Item Analysis Report, Response Report, and Duration Report. Formatting updates have been made to make form design more flexible. For question tables, the ability to align entire question tables, left, center, or right, has been added. Table border width and color can now be adjusted. Columns of questions and tables with more than one set of answers can have separate background colors. Table layouts can be reversed, with answer groups down the side and questions across the top. Drop-down lists have been updated to allow them to be required so that pages cannot be submitted unless an answer is chosen. Tile, center, left, and right attributes are now supported for images. You may also control the color used for an image border. Remark Quick Stats has been updated to include the ability to print, export, and generate multiple reports in the form of a report batch wizard. Reports can be exported to a single combined file or individually to separate files. Report batches can be saved and reloaded. Additionally, the ability to auto-filter reports has been integrated into the new report batch wizard. You can select up to 3 separate fields by which to break down data into separate reports. For each unique set of records, a new report set will be generated automatically. For example, if you process course evaluations, Remark Quick Stats can automatically separate each instructor's results into individual reports. Learning objectives can be imported from a database or spreadsheet format into the grade or survey wizard. Report headers are now much more flexible and can be tied to an individual test or survey. You can now define report headers within the grade or survey wizard, allowing you to create and reuse specific report headers that will always be used with that particular test or survey. The integration with Remark Office OMR and Remark Classic OMR has been improved. When converting paper forms with multiple choice questions in a single OMR region or field, they will automatically be converted into a table in Remark Web Survey. And finally, when using database linking, including the original lookup field is now optional, just as it is in Remark Office OMR.